Quick question. Does NASA, the people who send rockets into space, actually use Blender? The same free software you can download right now. The answer is yes. NASA uses Blender for various projects, including interactive web applications and 3D modeling. They developed the Experience Curiosity app in Blender to simulate the Curiosity rover's Mars mission, allowing users to control cameras and the robotic arm. NASA also provides many of its public 3D models in native Blend format on their resources page. NASA doesn't choose tools based on price or hype. They choose tools based on precision, validation, and reliability. Engineering software must be certified, tested under extreme conditions, mathematically exact. Blender isn't built for that, and it doesn't need to be. That's not a weakness. That's just different jobs. Here's the key takeaway. NASA doesn't care what tool you use. They care what problem it solves. Blender solves visual storytelling, clear communication, fast iteration, and those skills matter everywhere, not just at NASA. NASA uses Blender for things like 3D visualizations, educational animations, public outreach videos, concept visuals, explaining missions to the public. Example, when NASA wants to show how a spacecraft moves, lands, or orbits, they often use 3D animation tools like Blender because it's fast, flexible, and visual. This is about communication, not engineering. NASA cares about skills, not brand names. If you can, model clearly, animate accurately, communicate complex ideas visually. Your skills are useful even in serious industries. Blender is a tool for visualization, and that role is respected. What this means for you? It means Blender isn't an industry replacement. It's an industry companion. If you can, model clearly, animate ideas, explain complex concepts visually. You're valuable regardless of the software. Tools change, skills transfer. That's the part beginners should focus on. If this helped you see Blender differently, subscribe. On this channel, I break down what actually matters in 3D without hype, gatekeeping, or software wars. And in the next video, I'll answer this question. What 3D skills do serious organizations actually pay for? You don't want to miss that.